Hello students, so let's continue our explanation, in which the intruder said that he murdered a policeman, and since that day he was on the run. The intruder said that while he was on the run, he reached a town, some town, and there was the two people were discussing about the Gerard, and they were telling that they were discussing that Gerard was a strange and a mysterious man. Gerard commented that the intruder was not intelligent to guess that why was he surrounded by the air of mystery. उसके चारों तरफ क्या अजीब सा है, वो इस बारे में इंट्रूडर सोच भी नहीं सकता, ऐसा गिरार्ड ने कहा. So the intruder prepared to shoot at the Gerard as he was getting bored by the conversation. Gerard warned the intruder not to act foolishly. If he shot at him, he would be hanged to death. He added that even if he stole Gerard's identity, he would be hanged to death. So the intruder got curious upon hearing this. Gerard said that this was a big surprise for the intruder. The reason behind the Gerard being a secretive man, his not have the visitors and his activities. He was not an honest man like a school teacher. His game get over when he had to kill someone with a gun. After that, one of his accomplices got caught by the police. They got evidence against the Gerard from him. That particular night, Gerard was expecting that the police could raid his house to catch him, so he had packed his bag and was ready to escape. The intruder had no clue to all this. He agreed that the Gerard had a bag and a gun, but why was he carrying odd stuff like the artificial mustaches, wings and props? So Gerard replied that he was carrying these props so that he could change his appearance in order to hide himself. He hoped that the intruder would believe him. The intruder was still doubtful about the Gerard's word. So Gerard requested the intruder to believe his word and come up with him in his car. He added that the intruder could help him escape, and if he felt the Gerard's words were also false, he could kill him with his gun. Then the Gerard was in hurry. He picked up his head and bag. The intruder warned Gerard that he was watching his moves. Gerard said that one of his accomplices had been positioned on the road to warn him if he saw the police. Just then the telephone bell rang and the Gerard said that it was the time to leave. He directed the intruder to leave through the garage door. So Gerard said that the intruder should not be foolish. He asked him to see for himself. He opened the door and stepped to one side so that the intruder could see outside. The intruder leaned forward with the gun. The intruder rattled the door of the cupboard and shouted to be freed. Gerard answered the phone and said that he would not be able to deliver the props in time for the rehearsal of the play because he had been troubled by someone. He added that he would add this incident to his next play. This showed that Gerard was playwright. He asked the person to send the surgeon to his residence. He added that probably the surgeon could be found in the public car. Okay, so what does it show? That Gerard was a playwright. He had to leave his house to deliver the props for a rehearsal. जिससे हम अपने प्ले के लिए आर्टिफिशियल ट्री और यूनिफॉर्म और मस्टैच और बियर्ड रखते हैं, वही उसका काम था. उसको वो सब चीज़ें डिलीवर करनी होती थी. And by all his wit and trick, he is able to caught that intruder. That's it for now, student. Here the chapter is over.